Hello and welcome to another Maggie Soother. Remember, these are just small activities that can help you reduce the stress and anxiety in your nervous system, and they work for big people as well as little people. So today's one is it's talking about the way that we can soothe our nervous system through warmth. And it's really weird is that I don't know if you're aware that if you're on an overnight flight on an aeroplane, not that it's happening at the moment, they'll often make it a bit warmer because it helps people fall asleep. It helps us become a little calmer. So wherever you are, just keep that in mind. Some of you have children who not only warmth helps them feel calmer, but also weight. So those weighted blankets can be your absolute godsend at times when children are stressed. So keep that in mind. Your child may be one that could respond to one of those as well. So simplistically, I want you to just rub your hands together until they're really warm, really, really warm, and then put them on your own face. And breathe. And then do it again. Really, I'm doing it a bit quick so I can fit it in anywhere here. So what we know is that warmth from our own hands triggers pathways inside us from when we were held lovingly with warm hands when we were a tiny weeny baby. So again, it's just a simple one of doing that for yourself sometimes when you really feel everything's got just a bit tricky. There's no chocolate left in the cupboard. You've had your second coffee or your third coffee for the day and you know that's not a good choice. Try loving, warm hands on your body. You're doing good. You've got this. And remember, we are all in this together.